going to start the state unit number 1, that is the index number. First we discuss what is meant by the index number. So first we see the definition. Define the percentage change in the value of variable associated with any item for the given period compared to its value in a fixed period is called an index number. In short, if we try to understand, index number is used to know the value of any current year to compare any past year. Main thing is that index number is denoted by I. I is index number. For index number, we need to know two things main. That is the called P1 and P0. First we learn what is P1. P1 is the called price of current year. Current year price is denoted by P1. And P0 is called the price of base year. Now, one question arises, what is the current year and the base year? Suppose if you buy any item from the market right now, today, whatever the amount you pay for that item is called the price of base year, current year. Suppose if you buy a gold and price is right now 45,000, means the current year price is 45,000 in the year 2020. But if we see the price of gold in year 2019 is suppose it is 40,000, or 18 is 40,000, or 38,000. Means when you compare the current year price with any previous year price is called the base year. The base year and current year difference we can calculate, so we get the idea what is the increase and decrease in the value of any item which we purchase from the market. From these 2 years we get the idea what is the inflations of the price, because when we are going to buy any item in the market, first we see what is the price of that item. And generally when we see any item, if price is too much high, because we are comparing that price with the base year, means previous year. This is the main thing of the index number, to calculate current year and base year price. Now we see the character of index number. There are main 5 characters of index number. First we discuss that point. First, index number is free from the unit as it is a relative measure. Relative measure means P1 by P0 is called relative measure. It is free from all the units. Means index number is not associated with any of the items. It is always free from all the sides to calculate P1 or P0. Point 2. Index number is comparative measure. Comparative, that you understand, is always used for the comparisons of the 2-year price to know the changes in the value. Third, index number is a relative measure showing percentage change. By the index number you can calculate how much percentage is changed in the product or any price. Because as a human nature, we are always comparing how much price increases of any item from the base year. So we calculate here also. Fourth, index number is a spatial average. Means when you take any base year for the 2-3 years, we take the average of that year. It's called the spatial average. You are knowing that mean, median, mode. Mean is also called one type of average only. Now next, 5th point and last point. The situation at 2 different periods can be compared by ratio with the base year using the index number. With the help of index number, you can compare any 2 years data easily. By comparisons, you get the idea what is happening in the current year scenario. Inflation is going to increase or decrease. To buy or not to buy, is costly or cheap, because without comparisons you cannot calculate the real price of any item. So these are the main 5 characters of the index number. Now we discuss uses of index number. There are been 11 uses of index number. First we discuss all the point thoroughly. Index number for the trade, wholesale price index number, cost of living index number, index number of human development, index number of national income, index number of industrial production, index number of agricultural production, index number of import export, index number of employment, next index number of capital investment, and index number of raw material. These are main 11 uses of index number. Okay, now we see in details the uses of index number. Point 1. Index number for trade means index number is very useful in the trade to know the economic scenario of the country, because economic conditions only decide how you can do the trade in the country. Wholesale price index number. Wholesale price index number means index number is very useful for all the types of the government, semi-government, businessmen, producers to decide what to do in the country, because wholesale price index shows the real picture of the country. With this, government decides different policies, businessmen decides which type of business should be done, producers can decide how much production should be done at what level. These all things are decided in the wholesale price index number. Next, cost of living index number. With the help of index number, you can calculate the cost of living index, means the way of the lifestyle, the purchasing power of the human people, how much they are going to buy, at what quantity, at what price. This is called the cost of living index number. Next, fourth point, index number of human development. You are very well known that without human development, you cannot make the progress of the country. But for human development, we know the first index number. So, human development index number is useful. With this state, you can calculate how much development is going on in the human beings. Fifth, index number of national income. Whatever the figures we are getting, GDP, all the types of incomes of the government, semi-government, central government, these are useful by the index number, because index number helps to show a real national income of the country. So it's very useful for the government and semi-government projects. 6. Index number of industrial productions. Any productions are done by the industry. This can be calculated easily with the index number. Index number helps the businessmen or industrialists how much production should be done, at what quantity, at which place. These all the things which are very effective points for the producers in the industrial level. Next, 7th point, index number of agricultural productions. Those who are farmers doing the farm productions, they get which productions, at which price should be sold, where to sold. These all types of small questions can be easily solved with the help of index number. Index number is helpful for all the agricultural productions in the market. Point 8. Index number of import and export. Very important topic for any country. How much you are doing export and how much you are doing import, that can be easily calculated with the help of index number. With this, you can make easily your budget of the country, because export and import are the major event of any country. Number 9, index number of employment. You are knowing that for development of any country, we need a huge employment. If all are employed in a good field, they get good income. From this good income, government get a huge amount of taxes. So development of country become possible. But with the help of index number, we can calculate how much ratio is there available for the employment, unemployment, illiteracy, poverty. These all the ratios can be calculated with the help of index number. Next, point 10, index number of capital investment. You know that for the development of infrastructure, a huge project, you need a finance, that is the called capital. How much capital flow is available for any particular country can be easily calculated with the help of index number. If there is more capital investment in the country, means country is going to develop year by year. Because with the help of capital, you can establish a huge business, infrastructure, dam, bridges, roads. These all things are the pioneer point for the development of any country. Base point, you can select there also. And last, 11th point, index number of raw material. You want to get for productions of any item in the country, you need the help of raw material. How much you need the raw material, at what price, what should be its quality, what should be its quantity. These all types of basic questions, you get the answer with the help of index number. Either to increase the raw material, to improve the quality, the price of the raw material. These all types of factors you can be calculated easily by using the index number. Here your topic is our uses of index number.